All right, this igloo's done. This is more like what the Inuits would end up making. They cut out block and they would put these together and it'd be artful and masterful. That's not what we have here. First of all, we don't get that kind of snow. You need snow that is going to be layer after layer after layer where you get these ice crystals and the snow crystals bind together. We rarely have that kind of snow. In fact, the only way that we had packed snow is because I chopped my other igloo up. When I chopped it up, I just made them into random size blocks. I just used a saw. Let me show you. I always keep a saw in here, and that way you can always cut out a hole. It's not a problem at all, just for an emergency. But regardless, you'll see that there's lots and lots of imperfections. So what you need to do is you need to take, and by the way, it's so warm in here that I ended up taking off my coat and my balaclava and so on because you don't need it in here. It's nice and warm. But if you have little holes here, you should really end up chinking them, and that is just filling them in with snow. And it kind of will form an airtight seal. Gives a little bit of strength to the igloo. As it melts, it kind of reforms. But when you have blocks like this, it's really hard to put them together. Normally, I like to have a continuous mold moving around so you don't have any of these gaps, but not a big deal. And I'll fix these, I'll patch them up. But this igloo, it's 7.5 foot tall, 9.5 feet. I just measured it. And I used a new mold for the top that I was trying for the first time. It worked out. The sun's not working in our favor. Wow, it's 25 degrees or 20 degrees out. We've got full sun, and that is going to melt this. So I'm going to start chinking this thing, going around and cleaning it up. But overall, I'm happy with this block type igloo. I actually like my other ones better. I don't like all the imperfections. It doesn't seem like it's as sturdy, but it probably is. I think this one is going to last in the upright position for a long time because each one of these blocks is really, really solidified at this point. I think the roof is going to be the weak link, and only time will tell.